Hi there, I'm Petter Myhre, Product Marketing Engineer at Nordic Semiconductor. In my hand here, I have the nRF5340 Preview Development Kit, or PDK for short. This is what you should purchase if you want to evaluate the nRF5340, our new flagship SoC. So let's open the box. So you need to have the kit inside the plastic bag, and you also find a note telling you where to get started with the PDK. Let's open the bag. So you need to have the kit and also an NFC antenna, and you have a coin cell battery here on the back. So this PDK contains everything needed to get started with your nRF5340 development. Let me give you a quick overview of all its features. The nRF5340 SoC is the nucleus of the PDK. It combines a high-performance application processor with a fully programmable, ultra-low power network processor. The 128 MHz ARM Cortex-M33 application processor has 1 MB of flash and 512 KB of RAM, while the 64 MHz ARM Cortex-M33 network processor has 256K of flash and 64K of RAM. The SoC supports advanced security features like root of trust and trusted execution, and combining this with an extended operating temperature up to 105 degrees Celsius and advanced digital interfaces like high-speed SPI, QSPI and USB makes it the ideal choice for professional lighting, advanced wearables and other complex IoT applications. It has comprehensive wireless protocol support. It supports Bluetooth Low Energy and is capable of all Bluetooth 5.1 features, including direction finding. All Bluetooth 5 features like long range, 2 megabit per second, and advertising extensions are also supported. It also supports wireless mesh protocols like Bluetooth Mesh, Thread and Zigbee, and other wireless protocols like NFC, ANT, 802.15.4 and 2.4 GHz proprietary. Okay, let's move on. A bit to the right of the SoC itself, we see the 2.4 GHz PCB antenna and an SVF RF port for taking direct RF measurements. Moving down, we see the NFC antenna connector for attaching the NFC antenna bundle with the PDK. Next to it, we see 4 user programmable buttons and the reset button on the other side. We also have 4 user programmable LEDs over here. And just above the buttons, we have the external memory that is connected to the QSPI peripheral on the nRF5340 SoC. All GPIOs and analog and digital interfaces are available via edge connectors and headers. The PDK is Arduino Rev 3 compatible, meaning it can be easily interfaced with external device shields, including Nordic's Power Profile Kit. This is an easy to use tool for current measurements and optimizations. Current can also be measured using the dedicated current measurement pins over here. At the bottom left corner we have the power switch, and a bit further up we see the USB connector that typically powers the PDK. This is connected to the onboard Seger J-Link debugger that can debug and program both the onboard nRF5340 SoC and external targets. In addition to USB, the board can be powered by a wide range of sources, within the supply range of 1.7 to 5.0 volt. It can be powered with a LiPo battery through this connector, an external source through these pins over here, or with a CR2032 coin cell battery in the battery holder on the back. The power source is selected with this switch. The nRF Connect SDK is the software development kit for the 5340 SoC and has board support for the nRF5340 PDK. It offers a complete solution that integrates the Zephyr RTOS, protocol stacks, application samples and hardware drivers. nRF Connect SDK is publicly hosted on GitHub, offers source code management with Git, and has free Seger Embedded Studio IDE support. The nRF5340 PDK is for evaluation purposes only. It is a preview development kit, and will be replaced by the nRF5340 DK when the nRF5340 SoC is closer to being production ready. For more information, please visit the nRF5340 PDK product page on www.nordicsemi.com. It also has a list of distributors that have the kit available for purchase right now.